Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful hoop earring design. For making this, I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, 0.9 mm crochet hook, scissor, fabric glue, starch, hoop earring and diamond stones. So let's start. I will make single crochet, one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet. So I will work single crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have worked single crochet all around my ring and complete my round. Now I will make 2 chain and turn my work. Skip first stitch in second stitch. In second stitch, 1 double crochet. Now skip next stitch, in next stitch, 1 double crochet. Again skip next stitch, in next stitch, 1 double crochet. So I will complete my round by follow same pattern. Skip one stitch, in next stitch, 1 double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. Now I have completed my round by making double crochet. Now 1 chain. Now I will turn my work. Skip first stitch, in second stitch, 1 double crochet. In same stitch, 1 more double crochet. In same stitch, 1 more double crochet, third double crochet. So now fourth double crochet in same stitch and fifth double crochet in same stitch. Now skip next stitch, in next stitch I will make a slip stitch like this. Again skip next stitch, in next stitch I will make double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet and fifth double crochet. Again skip next stitch, in next stitch slip stitch like this. So I will follow same pattern all around this ring and complete my round. I have reached at my last, so I will make double crochet, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, and fifth double crochet. Now I will connect here by slip stitch. I will turn my work inside like this. Now I will cut the thread. and I will fix this extra thread. Now I will fix this extra thread with the help of glue to our back side. Now we will make flowers. Start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chain. Skip 2 chain. In third chain 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 half double crochet. In last chain 1 single crochet, and connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 chain. In third chain 1 double crochet. In next stitch 1 half double crochet. In last 1 single crochet. And slip stitch in ring like this. So I will make total 5 petals in our flower and complete my round. I have completed my 5 petals of my flower. Now I will cut the thread. And take this thread down. And pull magic rings thread. Here is our flower. We need 4 flowers, so I already made 3 flowers. Now I will apply starch backside of these flowers. Now I will shape the flowers with the help of hook, backside of my hook. Now I will paste my flowers like this. Now I will paste diamond stone in center of my flower. Now our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.